Hey, if you're selling on Whatnot and want to keep things fair, fun and exciting for your buyers, the Whatnot Randomizer is a must-use tool. So we will walk you through exactly how to use the Whatnot Randomizer to run giveaways, shuffle buyers and select winners like a pro. So once you're live on Whatnot, tap the giveaway or tools icon in the bottom corner. There you'll see the randomizer feature. It's built into the app and doesn't require any external sites. After that, you can choose who's eligible, all viewers, buyers only, followers of your store, and etc. Once your settings are ready, tap Start. The system will automatically select a random user based on your criteria and announce it in the chat. It even flashes their name on the screen. Handy. Once the winner is selected, make sure to either send their giveaway reward or give them a proper shout-out. If you're doing multiple rounds, you can rerun the tool as many times as needed. So that's it. You're now ready to use Whatnot Randomizer like a pro. Guys, if this helped, hit like, subscribe for more live selling tools and tips, and of course, thanks for watching.